To improve the quality of the sound on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Sounds and Vibration. Scroll all the way down and go to Sound Quality and Effects. There are multiple things that you can do in order to improve the quality of the sound if you are not satisfied with it. First of all, you can use Dolby Atmos, which is a tool that allows you to improve the experience of the audio that you listen to. And we have some adjustments to the sound. We can optimize it by using auto, so the Dolby Atmos feature will determine itself whether you are watching a movie or whether you are listening to a music, or if you're just listening to someone. And if not, then you can choose movie, music, or voice by yourself. In addition to that, we can use the equalizer, which allows us to change the loudness of certain frequencies of the media or the audio. Now, if you don't know how to use the equalizer, you don't have to worry about it, because you can simply use one of these presets that you have over here. We have 5 presets in total, if we exclude the balanced one. So without counting balanced, we have the bass boost, smooth, dynamic, clear, and treble. And at the bottom, we can also read the description of these presets. So bass boost provides, of course, more boost of the bass. Produces more bass in general. We have smooth preset, which is more warm and relaxed. Then we also have dynamic preset, which should make the sound more exciting and energetic. Then we also have clear, which should be clean and precise, good for speech. And we also have the treble boost, which provides more space and is vivid for instrumental music especially. Of course, we can create a custom one if we want to, but like I said, if you don't know which one what to do with those sliders, then just you choose one of these presets. And ideally, you want to, for instance, start listening to music, and while listening to music, you can go to the equalizer and switch these presets to find out which one you like the most. And in addition to that, if you feel like the voices in dialogues during dialogues are in the background and the music is too forward, is up front, and you don't like that much, then you can boost dialogue over here. And you can also normalize the loudness, so when there are differences in loudness between songs or even in the song itself, then it will be normalized, so the louder parts are a bit quieter, they are turned down, or if something is too quiet, then the loudness will be increased. And that's pretty much it. I hope these tips were useful for you in order to improve the sound quality. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!